Actually saw a photo of you sitting next to Obama. Tell me about that.
Got to go to the Democracy Forum Summit in Copenhagen, and he was there as a keynote speaker, and he dedicated a day to working with us and talking through challenges with us. So I was also one of the lucky ones that got to pitch to him and present to him, and my topic was tech for social good, which was really fitting for our work, but also was interesting to have a discussion because it was just a few months after he had given a speech, I think at Stanford, about some of the threats of big tech on democracy. But yeah, we had these roundtable discussions, and you didn't know kind of when he was coming or when he was going to join your table, join your discussion.
You would always keep looking on your back. Like,
yes,
oh my God, it's coming.
But for me,
act easy.
Yeah, we sat at our table, and there was one seat empty, and it was the one next to me, and I was like, all right, Mr. Obama, Mr. President's coming to sit next to me.